Hello, I'm Will Bushy, the founder of Sioux Falls, and I want to shoot a real quick video and just remind you that we've got registration still open. I've got just a couple of seats left. If you're interested in, you can come jump in and get those. Head over to hacksiouxfalls.com if you're interested in. Now, we're going to be building and replicating the original Simon Says game. I've got these little arcade buttons that have a little LED light on the inside, and they're really nice buttons. They're really smooth. They look like original arcade buttons. And then we're going to invite kids to find some type of a box. This is an old candy box that I found laying around the house. We're actually going to recreate the game Simon Says. Let me just take you through real quick how that game works and just a little tiny prototype that I built up from an old project that I had built a few months ago. And here's our Simon Says game. This is built out of an old candy box. As I mentioned, I've got the 4 buttons on top. And if I just go ahead and push any button right now, it'll restart the game. It'll just flash around all of the colors, and then it'll go ahead and start with the pattern. And right now the pattern is going to be the same, and this is where the kids can go ahead and do whatever they want. So you can see I didn't follow the pattern correctly, so then it restarted again. So we'll do it real quick here. We'll do green, and then green, blue, and then green, blue, red, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's on the inside. And here's the inside. You can see I've got the 4 buttons mounted into the top of this candy box. I've got the Arduino Nano right here plugged into this prototyping board, and I have a ton of wires. I will simplify this. Right now, this is just my initial prototype. I wanted to put something together so I could see how it worked, see where the problems are going to be, and where the kids might run into trouble. So the final version will be a little bit simpler than this, but you get the idea. This will be a lot of fun. I think the kids are going to have a lot of fun building out their own version of Simon Says. I'll have the initial set of code set up already. This is about 100 lines of code to do what you saw a second ago. But if the kids want to go ahead and tweak that, create their own patterns, make their own kind of custom version of Simon Says or some other game that they make up with 4 buttons, we'll go ahead and help them get started. So if that sounds like something your kids would be interested in, head over to hacksiouxfalls.com and get registered. We're going to start here in just a few days. If you have any questions, shoot me a message.